You know, we're basically driving computers with the sensors, with the technology. So there's a lot that goes into fixing a car. But most importantly, it's a color match. And these kids, they grew up with computers, with smartphones. It's a totally different mentality. So we need to adapt to the changing workforce that we now have.
So you're gonna show me PPG, Digimatch, and Visualize over here.
In the old days, we used to use paint chips,
Oh,
and then we'd have to do our own spray outs.
Sure.
And it would take us a minimum of 15 minutes each car, sometimes well over an hour.
Sure.
So instead of having to do spray out cards, you can see he's actually done a virtual spray out card in 3D. Let me take you over to the moonwalk and show you the next step in paint matching and paint mixing. This is a great advantage for us, is it increases our efficiency, it's 100% accurate, no waste, and saves us at least 10% on wasted material, and has increased our efficiency at least by 15%, which means more cars out the door.